Welcome to Python for Introductory Statistics. This is the second part to the for loop. Earlier, we saw how to print each element of this list, and now we will find the average, which means we have to add each element first and then divide it by the number. Now, the first thing we'll do here is we need to define some variable called TOT for total, and we'll start at 0, and you will see that it will help us accumulate the sums. So the first thing we'll do for the for loop is we're going to say uh, get the total. Right now it's 0, but then add the i's element from the list. All right. So the first time I is 88, so it will do 88 plus 0, then the total becomes 88 plus 0, which is 88. And then we'll go back and grab the second number and so on. So let's now print the total, right? We need to print the total, and so we can see how much the total is. But once we know the total, so after the for loop is over, let's just go down here. First, we need to know uh, we need to print what we call the average. The average is actually going to be the final total divided by the length. In this case, we can count there 1, 2, 3, 4, but we can use len for this is a function from list. So the length of x, right? The length of x, which is 4. So now let's run this program and see what happens. All right. So the first time it runs this program, total is 0, but I is 88. So 88 plus 0, so it's 88. Then the new updated 88 is going to go back, and then I is now the second number, 79. So this is 88. Total is 88 plus 79. That's 167. So now the new value of total is 167. And then it goes back and grabs 92. So I is now 92. And it adds up with the 167 from the previous total. So 167 plus 92 is now 259. And it prints 259. And then it goes back and grabs the last 92 and then adds it with the 259, and it puts it back into the variable total, and that adds up into 351. And then finally here it's over because the last 92 is gone. There is no more element to add, so it will finally we divide it by the length of x, which length of x just basically means how many elements are in x, which is basically the average. So this is one use of the for loop.